right, let's take a look at this one. So same thing, we're going to be doing some humps, but this time, at this point, we're going to actually drag the handle over so we can, instead of getting those curves we got before, we're going to get kind of this hump pattern. So first, we're going to start off with drawing a curve. So we're going to drag this up to here, let go, then click, drag down here, and let go. Now, we're not going to drag up here. What we're going to do is we're going to hold down the Option, or on a PC, the Alt key, and that's going to turn, you see how the cursor goes into a larger version of that kind of uh, angle key, that little kind of X, and we're going to drag that up to here, and then I can let go of my Option key and let go of my mouse button. Same thing over to 7, press down, drag, let go, then hold down the Option or Alt key and drag that handle up there so that it knows that the next item is going to be the same thing. Another thing. Press down, drag down to here, hold down the Option key, drag up here, and last but not least, same thing. Press down and let go. And then P to get out of there.